on set right now. He's filming JIvy, the legendary JIvy. It's about to be an amazing little shoot that we got going on. Can't wait for y'all to hear about it. Can't wait for you to see the behind the scenes. It's gonna be lit. When you get here, he'll turn around and he can go right into it. And he'll do his thing. Readjust that. I like how this, if you look up, like I'm gonna have you pan down to your back and then boom. And you can turn around, start your piece when you feel ready. Walk, steady pace. You're gonna walk through here. The fog's gonna start. I'm gonna have the fog machine going. When the fog goes, you'll walk through the fog, boom. So, can you test it real quick? All right, so it's fog, you're going, walking through, you may want to slow it down. Give him some time to step backwards because he's walking backwards trying to get through the window. Use the emphasis and use your hands to kind of like show like where you're at. And then boom, you have the reveal such as I said before. Have you been out here yet? Yeah. Okay, so you probably don't need to step out there now, but you'll step out and then low key, wherever you go, he will keep you in the middle of the frame, and as you end it is, you know, that'll be it.
And the poem, Never Let Me Down, you wanted to end on the roof, correct?
On the roof, just because I heard that you like the graffiti.
Yeah.
So I was like, giving you that shot, and
How much time would you say you want on the roof?
I mean, it's up to you. It's cold.
No, I ain't tripping on the cold.
It's just trying to figure out the pacing.
The pace? Yeah. I mean, honestly, the last, 10 seconds, 15 seconds? Like, okay. This. Yo, what up, this director Southside. Who am I looking at? You. I need to look at somebody, right? Yeah, I do it like this. Yo, what up, this director Southside. I'm on set right now with the Forum Fridays, and we have a special guest today. His name is JIvy. You know who he is, the urban legend.
You know, this is one of the heartbeats of our city. And I'm excited to be one of the vessels rolling through. You know how we do. Hey!
When it comes to being true, at least true to me. One thing I found, although you never let me down. Down.
Look at Black Love in here. What's good, bro? Director Southside, you feel me? We out here, we got JIvy, we got the whole crew in Roco, we got Ken, shout out to Ken on the BTS, shout out to my guy Rojas with the gimbal. Shit gonna be crazy, wait till you see it. All right.